I'm going to show you how to make a velouté, one of the French mother sauces. Now, what you're going to do is melt 25 grams of unsalted butter in a pan, add 25 grams of flour, all-purpose here, unbleached, whisk that, and this is called a roux. Now cook this out for about 3 minutes on a low to medium heat and keep on whisking until you cook out that raw flour taste. You'll see it go nice and bubbly like this. Then we're going to add a litre of stock of your choice. I'm adding beef stock. We got a recipe for that on the website. Absolutely delicious. Keep whisking this, and then all that butter and flour is going to start to emulsify and thicken that stock. We're going to bring it up to the boil like this, and then we're going to skim off anything that comes to the top and then turn it down to a simmer, and we're going to cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes and skim off anything from time to time that comes to the top. If you want to give it a little stir, you can do as well. After 25 minutes, it should look glossy and coat the back of a spoon like this. Absolutely delicious. Now we're going to pass this through a sieve just to make sure there's no lumps and bumps, just like this. Season this with salt and pepper, and at this stage you can add any kind of spices or herbs that you want to. I'm going to add a little bit of sherry vinegar, a nice splash for a good acidity. Feel free to use a vinegar of your choice. Whisk that in, give it a little taste. It looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half of chopped tarragon. Use whichever herbs you like. And then I'm going to add a nice little squeeze of lemon juice, give it a final taste, and this is ready to plate up. You can do this with chicken stock or whichever stock you like. Best to serve this sauce straight away with chicken, fish, whatever you want. I'm going to serve it with some lovely butter poached carrots here. Add a little bit of molten salt. Put that lovely velouté into the middle of the plate for some elegant plating. Finish with some lovely fresh tarragon leaves on each one of the carrots. And there you have beef velouté with tarragon. The process is the same for whatever velouté you want to make. Use different vinegars, spices, herbs, and flours to create a beautiful mother sauce that you can put over chicken, lamb, beef, fish, vegetables. The possibilities are endless. As always, my friends, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.